Hello and welcome. So in this video I'm going to show us how I created this particular flyer design, this April new month flyer design with my smartphone that's right here in Pixellab. So first thing first, all you need to do is let's head straight to our design tool. Alright, so we are here in Pixellab. These are tools we'll be using for this particular design. This is the tool we'll be using to create this design. Alright, so what you need to do is to delete this follow context. Delete this. Now, looking at the flyer we want to design, which is this. Looking at this, first of all, we are going to do our background creation. I want to show you how I came up with this background, as you can see in this design. So let's go. Let's come back. So I'm going to be using gradients. So I'll show you what a gradient background creation is. Now enable this. This is going to be fast because it's not supposed to be a long video. It's a very simple stuff. Alright, so this is it. Allow this to be placed in the center. Yes, this is the relative position. Yeah, you make use of this relative position. Now click on it, ensure that it's at the center, then you can click on good. Now the next thing we need to do is to color, give our background color. You click on this tool here, which is the color icon. Click on it. Now you click on enabled so that you can choose whether you just want a plain color or you want to work with gradients. But for this particular design, we'll be working with gradient. So you click on gradient. Now you click on gradient. Next thing you need to do is to click on this color stuff, this plus stuff here, so that you can go and choose the colors we want for the gradient. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, it pops up to this particular space. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on this part where you choose your first color. I'm working with this first. I want to choose my first color, so you click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's highlighted already. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this first icon by your right hand. This particularly, this icon, you click on it. This is the choose your color. You click on it. Now you are here. Now you move this picker, the color picker, this stuff here, you move it to this particular area where you find the blue actually that we want to work with. So this is what I mean. You move this, just move it here a bit. Now you can see it has the colors we are working with now by looking at the color of the design that we are working for. So let's go back. Now you can see now that it has the blue. You can choose this blue according to the shade of how you want it to appear. Now I want something darker first for my first blue. Then you can click on OK. What I just did was to draw this particular one at the center. Yes, this particular one. This is what you are editing. You are working with this for now. So you click on OK. You pick it, draw it to the color shade that gives you what you want. Then you click on OK. Now the next thing you do is to click on this other option, this part. You click here. As soon as you click on it, you've highlighted it. You see it's highlighted now. You click on this other option again where you choose your color, this part. You click on it again. Alright, so you click on it. Now we want to choose the lighter shade. So let's move this like I did in the first, the color picker. You move it to this area. Now you come this way, don't let it be too dark. A lighter version now. As you can see, okay, let's see what this is. This is what it's giving us, but we want something very close to this. So this is what we are going to do now. Let's adjust. You click on your color, the plus, you click on it. Now you click on it, adjust, click on this first color you did, and you click on this part as well. You click here because this is where you pick your color actually. So you click on it. Now let's move it this way a bit. Okay, now here, this next option, now choose your color again. For that you can make it lighter. All right, so let's see what we have now. Yes, we can actually work with this. It's actually giving us the feel of what we want. So if you observe this flyer very closely, you see that there are some lines in the background, a kind of line in the background. Now I'm going to show you how I achieved that. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to import the image I used to make that possible. So let me just go and search from my gallery. You click on your gallery depending on where the image is. So all you need to do, if you want to import a new image or so in your design, you click on from gallery, because I'm going to my phone to get something. Now when you click that, you know where the particular file is in your phone. So let's go. Alright, so this is where the particular image is in my phone. This right here, this image right here. So all I just need to do is to click on it. Click on it. Now when I click on it, I want it to have a very good square shape. So the next thing I need to do is to click on this. Click on this first 1:1 here. You click on it, gives you a very accurate square shape. So you click on good. Now here is it. Now you can adjust, select it so you can be able to adjust it. Now increase the size. As soon as you are done increasing the size, you can then choose relative position here. Your options here, you choose relative position. The relative position, you click on this. I usually click on the option here, this one. I click on this first, and after clicking on that, I go ahead to say click on this. Yes, so get this. Now this will enable it to be on the center, and this will also give you a perfect ratio. So now I'm going to change the color, so you make sure it is highlighted. To be sure that it's highlighted, go ahead and click on your layer icon here. This is your layer icon. This is your layer icon. You click on your layer icon. Now select it. It's already selected. Now you can go back. Now let's go and choose a color. So you can see I just clicked on color here. I clicked on color so I could be able to choose a color for it. So I'll click on color. Now click on enabled so you can get a color. Now I want to give it a kind of light blue. So let me just use my color picker and choose the blue shade I want to give it. So to do that, click on this plus here so that you can choose the particular color shade you want to use. Yes, so like I did in the other time, you draw this color picker to the shade of blue you are working with. So I need something like this. Okay, something like this. Let's see how it is. Okay, this is actually okay. So all you just need to do is click on good. Now reduce the opacity. Here is opacity. I'm trying to make this video very fast. It's not supposed to be too long. So this is opacity. click on it. Now reduce the opacity, reduce it, make it very tiny so that stuff will not be too loud in your design. Alright, so this is it. You click on good. The next thing we need to do, let's see the design we are working with. Now this is it. The next thing we need to do is to import this particular hand holding a building. From there we can fix every other stuff. So let me just go get it from my gallery like I did the other time. Let me just go get it from my gallery. Okay, here's the picture of the hand holding a building. So all I just need to do is to click on it right away. Now this is it. So let's select OK. Now for this photo room stuff showing here, just use your eraser, then push it up to this, remove this, click on good. Yeah, so let's look at the design and see. Okay, so this is it. You can increase the size a bit, or you can still reduce this a bit. So look at this. You are looking at this to see how it is placed perfectly. So yes, you have to increase this a bit. Now so this is it. It's giving us the feel. Now you can enable this to be in the center, relative position. Work with this alone. I'm sure it's at the center. So the next thing you need to do is to import every other write-up. Welcome to April. So let's write, click on A so you can be able to click on a text. Click on text here. Now edit. So welcome to. Okay. Alright, so for the font I'll be using for this design, I'm using alright, so for the font I'm using for this design, I'm using Sharp Text. Yeah, so just click on my fonts here. You have to get it installed in your phone. So click on Sharp Text Pet Trial Book 2. So this is the one I'm using for my first welcome to. Just place it where you want it to be, and the next fonts, the next text will be April. Now let's go get that too. So April, this is April. Now we are going to select its fonts. Sharp Text, like I said, just Sharp will get you the fonts. Now you choose. Yeah, so let's work with Sharp Text Bold 25. Yeah, this is giving me what I need already. So for this stuff here, you can see that the A somehow a part of it is taken by the line. So you go to padding, just come to your tools here, you click on padding. Now add it on the left. Yeah, because that's actually where that thing is affecting. So you can see that stuff is off. So this is it. Welcome to April. There's no other design as beautiful as this. You just need to come up with something very simple and beautiful. You just need to come up with something simple and beautiful. Design is not hard, actually. Design is not hard. So you can fix this. You can increase this a bit. Now fix it somewhere. fix it somewhere. I want to make sure that April is placed properly. Yeah, so I can decide to fix this. Let me lock April so it doesn't move. So I can decide to fix this here. Yeah, so I can decide to fix this here. Welcome to April. Okay, so let's just take a glimpse at this. Now you observe something. The April here is slanting. I'm going to show you how to get that, a slanting form of the particular typeface. So let's just go straight ahead. So you click on April. Now let's go get slanting form, sharp. So I want to get a slanted, like, okay, yes, bold italic 20 is slanting, and that's okay. Okay, that's okay. So I have to give it space. Let me see. Give it space. Okay, now also the paddling. Now you do it on the right and increase this a bit, increase this a bit, increase this a bit. As you can see, we have it here. So you just have to try what's best for you. Actually, try what's best for you, what you feel, what communicates your message clearly. Yes, clearly. So that's the major stuff. Alright, so the next thing you need to do here is to input other text. Let me just use this. Let's copy welcome to, so you can use it to add up other text. Okay, you lock April, so it enables us. Alright, so the next thing you need to do on this design is to create your other text. You can actually copy this, now use it to create other text. Here I'll just come and type, may this new month bring you into our season of joy. Okay, this is okay for me. Then just do this and fix this here. Now I need this to be at the center. Then you go to align, then align it, choosing this one at the center here. Click on it at the center. Alright, so the next thing I'll do on this design is to bring in the logo of the company I'm designing for. Alright, so here's the logo of the company. I'll just click on good, adjust it to however you want it to appear on the design. So at this point our design is done completely. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead to save. You can save as project, save as image. Then you go ahead to save, and after saving you can do your other finishing touches by using either Lightroom, Snapseed or Pixellab to edit your design the more. So basically this is how we're able to create the welcome to April flyer design. See you in the next video.